Hi everybody, it's Dave Aquino at Basecamp Trading, and this is the free video for Thursday, October 17th, 2019. So I got a couple of emails regarding some of my latest videos, and they're asking, what are all these strange looking lines here? Now, a couple of them I usually have moving averages, lines that designate support and resistance levels, but the ones that are of particular interest were these red lines, and then you have red and yellow and green lines, and they seem to permeate from one time frame to the other. These are actually our gravity lines. These are our newest indicator called MQ gravity lines. And what's neat is it is a mixture of very durable, consistent lines that permeate from one time frame to another. Those would be the blue sapphire lines and the red ruby lines. The other ones are like the yellow and green, actually are very specific. They are the high-low lines from the previous day. The green is the midline from the previous day. And you can see how price easily moves between these support and resistance levels, providing us with very good intraday and daily support and resistance. We use this a lot because we kind of use the analogy of an elevator. If you're on one floor and you don't go higher, and momentum starts to lead us to the other direction, we move down to the next gravity line, and below that to the next one, and then to the next one, and they provide very good support and resistance level, and therefore very good targets for price action. We can use them to structure intraday trades like we did here. You had a double top bearish divergence after the gap higher, moving right to the gravity line. And the reason why we call it gravity line, if you break out from one line and you're moving higher with momentum, that is the most logical place for your next price target. And you can see price gets pulled right into that resistance level. We come up, we do a double test, then we fall back to that previous gravity line, and so on. With that, so intraday works really, really well. And then you can pick up gravity lines. They carry over into the hourly. We use them for our swing trades, and the daily charts in particular provide very good gravity line levels. As for instance, if we continue to break above today's high, our next gravity line target in the S&P is 3,027.98. And again, you can take a look at that. You can see the gravity lines also extend here on the hourly. Gravity lines are very dynamic. They do adapt and change to current market conditions, and they project very well with the most recent data, so that we're always getting our support and resistance levels constantly updated across time frames and very specific to time frames based on the current price action and how the market's behaving. And that's what you want. New data, constantly updated, giving you the most accurate information. So best of luck trading with gravity lines.